Hey guys, hope you guys are doing fine. So today I'm going to give a quick demo of how to use this Ozark Trail air pump. Now this is the one of those pumps that is used to inflate an airbed, and the specific model that I bought from Walmart can be plugged into a car, the car lighter outlets, the 12 volt DC outlets, and you can use this to easily do this if you're going for a camping trip. So actually I'm currently right now in Yosemite, and I'm in actually one of the campgrounds called as Lower Pines, right by the Curry Village area. And I just set up my tent, as you can see here, and I'm going to use this this pump to inflate my airbed. So I have my car right here, and I'm going to show you how to plug in the device and how to inflate the airbed. It's pretty quick actually. It actually inflated my bed in about 2 minutes. I actually tried yesterday at my home, and you can see my airbed is inside my tent here. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. I just opened the contents of the box. So you see that you get the main unit, and then you have the power cable, and then you have like 3 attachments. So I think for my airbed, the inlet for the air is right over here, and I'll have to probably use this end and attach it to this part, and then maybe directly connect the other end of this attachment onto my airbed. So I'm going to show you that quickly. Okay, so I'm going to use this bigger attachment onto here. I'm going to give it a slight press so that it's airtight kind of a thing, and then you can see that there is this portion that I have to attach to my airbed. Let me tighten the nut on my airbed, and then go and press this fitting. Just make sure that it's inserted properly, otherwise you'll have leakage of air. I think it's pretty tight right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach. Oops, this came off. So as you can see, the air pump is right now connected to my airbed, and you can see that the cable is over here. So there's a certain length of the cable on this, so it may not completely go until the cigar lighter socket on the car. So in my case, if I try to extend this only goes to my seat. So what I did for this is that I went to AutoZone. I picked up one of these extension cords. So it has the male and the female connectors, as you can see. So I have the cable over here. So it has the female connector here. You just have to remove this cap. So this is a female portion, and then this is a male portion. So the cable coming from my air pump has the male. So I would have to connect this over here, right, to the female section. And then the male section would then go to the cigar lighter socket in my car. So just turned on my engine, and there is a button that you need to press on the air pump. It's on the side. Maybe I can show this way. So that's hard to see, but yeah, I think there's a button right here. You need to press that, and then the air pump would actually start pumping the air into the airbag. You see that the airbed is inflating, and this is pretty fast, and this is not expensive too. I just picked up this from Walmart for about $15, and the extension cord was about $15 too. So overall we kind of get this whole setup for about $30, and there you go. The airbed is completely inflated. So there you go, guys. My airbed is completely inflated, and my tent looks pretty good. So I'm set for the night, and hopefully you guys can also try this out. So I'm going to just show you. So you need this air pump, right, the 12 volt air pump. This is from Ozark Trail. I think Coleman probably also has the same brand, and this is pretty cheap from Walmart. As I said, this is for $15. And then you get this extension cord, the male and the female cigar lighter kind of a like connection, and this was I think $15 or $20 that I bought from AutoZone. So for about $30 you can set up your tent and have a nice bed to sleep on. So enjoy, guys.